Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. Had a very special, and guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here, guys, subscribe. So today, I'm going to take my sister to hospital, and right now, I wanna wear my gumboots. So it's raining here, so don't mind, guys. Please, don't mind, don't mind, don't mind. You know, this is the real situation in my village here. So it's muddy, even my compound. You know, so guys, on today's videos are very special, and yesterday I did a videos, but it's on Sunday, and the doctor, all the hospital have been closed. Actually, we're supposed to take my sister today on today's videos. So right now I'm heading outside, and it's drizzling here, so probably I'll come and see what my mama prepare outside. So right now, look, it's raining, man, here. Look, I'm telling you, you see? So last night is the rain of cats and dog here and there. So me, I'm just pull up very in the morning right now, and I'm going to meet with my mom. So because people sleep separated from the house, like this from my mama house, there's my brother's house next, like I mean this side here, it's my house. We stay with my brother, who right now just staying with him around. This one here, it's for my brother who studied in university, so everybody have some space to sleep. So right now I'm waiting my mama just pull outside, and I'll show you guys. So I hope you're ready for this journey from here up to border town. And guys, you really love my sister a lot. I can't complain anymore, nothing to be hide. I will take my sister to the hospital today. So probably I want my sister to be feel okay. Imagine, guys, a day like this, it's on Monday, and she didn't went to school because of the problem and that kind of situation. So I'm going to solve that. And for me, thank you so much for people who support, like send me super tank. Thank you so much. My God bless you abundant. And I have a long way to go. So today I don't want to talk maybe too much project. Let me solve the issues for my sister. And guys, to be honest, I take your comments serious. I had most of the people advise me, hello baby, just save little. Let me tell you guys, not sometime, I save. There's a day my brother sent from school, I take $10, I paid. And there's some small shopping here and there. I need to pay, maybe to buy maybe onions, to buy tomatoes, sometimes to buy sardines. Man, I took from my pocket, I buy, you know. And God is good. Always, I just believe in God. So right now, my sister got some help. Actually, I got $14. The month that I have, I can add on top, and then to contribute to pay my sister. So today my sister will be okay under medication, and should be maybe removal of tooth. It's 4, but I'll get instruction later from the doctor. Me no clue about this, so we keep moving. I love to pass on this trees here because of the view and nature, man. And right now I'm heading that way to show you how our village looks like at this moment. By God's grace, right now it's raining, so no hot. Right now it's cold. That's the reason why you see hello baby wearing 2 jackets, blue and black. What a good day, blue and black. Boom. Wow. Oh guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Kindly does my hair, and as soon oh wow. I just flow the vibe to the end, and make sure guys you leave the sweet comment, and Flow the vibe to the end. Nothing is possible, but flow the vibe to the end. We're heading this way. Wow. Let me tell you guys one thing. Today, it's a calm day. It's a chilling day. Right now, no sun. It's totally hot. No, it's totally cold right now. And most of the people, most of our farmers in our village plant maize. Others are digging. So farming is our backbone in our village here. I'm telling you. Oh, how may I look, guys? Now is chubby or not yet? Let me know, guys, in the comment section before I leave here. How am I going to look? Chubby? But anyway, guys, let's flow with vibe to the end. So me, I was supporting my family a lot here and there. Guys, the way you're supporting me by watching my videos and you supporting me another way, I'm also supporting my family. Like on my last videos, I was supporting my grandma, making shopping from border town or from my village here toward to Kisii. It's long distance. Sometimes I get lost here and there, but all in well, we move on. So we're heading down. Wow. Your son, Hello Baby Official, is outside, walking in my village with my gumboots. There's my gumboot. With my jacket here. Wow. Let's move on. See the motorbike car passing here. And soon, I can't wait, man, to celebrate 7K subscriber from the village. One of these days, I'll go to Mombasa. I'm telling you. One of these days, I'll go to Mombasa to experience life, maybe coastal beaches here and there. Let's see. When I get money, man, even tomorrow, I want to start my journey to Mombasa. I want to enjoy the coastal beaches. But before I start to build my mom's dream house on June, I must go to Mombasa, enjoy a little bit, like 3 days to 2 days, and then come to my village. You know, after maybe I finish those projects, soon I wanna start maybe traveling East Africa. As I make my passport, I'm gonna start maybe traveling with my immigration card. No problem. There's a motorbike. Wow. So guys, right now I'm going to meet with my mama at my home because I give her enough time to wake up, and then I just boom. So I will ask my mama how was my sister she was doing last night, because I know it's so painful. It's so painful, man. Wow, me? No idea at all. And guys, in case you're new here, go and check David Jr. I really appreciate, man. And also check Brother Agi. I don't want to left him behind. Guys, remember, we have one of my lovely friends, guys. So right now, it's so sorry, so pain to say this. Guys, remember watching Caster's videos. She was so helpful on my side because she was supporting me on my side, also David Jr. And then guys, Caster right now as I speak here, she's under medication, total medication in India. And guys, cancer affect her on her breast, one side. Actually guys, if you wanna support little that we have, guys, go and check them, go fund and me, support them as you can, guys, because we love her too much. So right now we just do some they just doing some progress, guys. You know, if you're watching even the live stream, like last night we joined live stream 4 good hours. Imagine a day. We started maybe today, like night, up to the next day in the morning. Guys, please guys, like if you want to support free from your heart, just do so guys, because life is better than money, you know. Okay, so beside from that, I'm going home right now, but I was taking you a little bit nature walk. Man, even me, it feels so pain, man, when my friend got sick. I feel so pain, man. But everybody love Castor, and all over the world love Castor. Guys, do so as you can. Do so as you can. You know, free from your heart. So it's raining. I'm telling you. Look at this side here. It's raining. It's raining. Look, it's stagnant water right now here. But I have the gumboot. I can boom. No problem. Wow. No problem at all. Anyway guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So right now it's a bright morning and it's drizzling. I'm going to meet with my mama. So stay blessed. Hey, mama, say hello.
Hello.
Wow. What are you preparing for us? Unapika nini?
Chai.
Chai. See guys, fire boom boom over there. Hey, I want to prepare tea. Hey, serious hardworking mom. Oh man, look good. Maybe I will be here. See guys. That's Furia, all metallic stuff, and firewood. Hey. For sure. Okay. Never naendelea.
Utapata nafu.
Guys, I'm asking my mama how was my sister feeling. Probably I wanna take my sister today to the hospital, and thank you so much for my good people who donate in Super Tank, and you mean a lot. You mean the world to me. And actually today I wanna take my sister to the hospital. So I saw so many comments on my comment section. People try to advise me, hello baby, try to save maybe in case of emergency occur. Let me tell you one thing, man. As you know, I came from, I can save, but when my family needs something small, I do take the money which I save and give them. Like, you know, maybe here and there, some small shopping, and things will be okay. As a human being, I want to pass so many challenges here and there, and by God's grace, we solve it. So today, guys, yesterday, it's on Sunday, I talked with doctor or dentist. He told me, so you came on Monday, which is today, and probably I'm waiting my mama to prepare tea and enough and all stuff, so we can leave home right now as I speak here. First thing that I'm going to do is to go in Border Town and have maybe some small cash on my pockets, and then I take my sister to hospital. So I know it's painful for you guys, and also me, it's so painful because I'm moodless. Since yesterday, I'm moodless because, you know, tooth decay, it's so painful as maybe young kids. Even I know for the elderly person, when you have tooth decay, it's so pain. And my last night, it's raining. Man, I want to take you outside before I leave. So guys, be ready. Look, I'm on gumboot right now, so automatically I'm in village. Oh man. So guys, I think I'm gonna cover my hair because it's drizzling. Little drizzling, man, here and there. Wow. Hey. Sometimes to be a firstborn in our family, it's a blessed, you know. But it's okay. There's no need to cover. So you see the chicken right now here? Say hello. Look guys, water everywhere. Look. There's water. I'm telling you, this is pure village. And I will try to connect some ditch here. But I see water is not passing right now here. It's going that way. I don't know whether, man, it can affect my borehole. Right here. So probably, maybe by God's grace, we should work on this borehole here. I'm telling you, because right now it's 50-50. You know, right here. Maybe when we have heavy rain, the water will be inside here and interfere with my borehole. So what I'm going to do is to go harder through my dream, and I will see how I will do things in good way. Wow. So look, we have the birds right here. Guys, what do you think? What do you think on today's videos? Should I film the videos going to Border Town first, or I go Border Town and then I come to shoot videos taking my sister to hospital? So that being said, you heard the pain, man. You heard the pain. Even right now, I'm not okay. When I see my sister, dentist work on my sister in terms of removal of the teeth, 4 of them, I'll be okay. Even my last night, like my last supper, I didn't take anything because I'm moodless, you know. So, but everything shall be okay. And for me, I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. For people who are watching my videos every day, thank you so much. May God bless you. And in case you are new here for the first time, thank you so much. Feel free for welcome to my channel. Subscribe, share. If you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe on today's videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And soon, as I said on my last video, I want to share with you 7,000 subscribers. I hope you're ready for this. And let me tell you, dreams are valid. As long as when I'm going harder through my dream, everything will be possible. Look, birds are making noise here. And man, I don't know whether I will affect my camera because right now it's drizzling. You can see even my jacket. You look. So I don't know. Because right now the weather is so conducive. You can see it's drizzling. And most of the content creator, when it's raining, we face so many challenges. But guys, if you see sometimes the video is not clear, don't charge. Realize or notice that it's raining and or it's drizzling here. So probably I want to take my baby outside as I go to Border Town. So when I'm going to Border Town, I will wear my helmet to cover my hair. You see right there, that's my hair. So right now, what I'm going to do is to take my baby outside. Sometimes when I say my baby, I mean my motorbike, guys. So I know for the haters, they would get so confused. So and right now here, we have a nice toilet. It's chilling here. Look, man. Look. So it's by God's grace. Let me wipe my camera. So that being said, it's drizzling here as I speak right now here. Okay, I think everything is good. So look, through you guys, by watching my videos, I build the toilets, and you support me in the other way. I'm ready to go. Look, just over here, and nothing on credit. This is cash. No one will say, okay, hello baby, you build your toilet on credit. So maybe you offer from this company, you offer from this side. No, this is cash, purely cash, and I can't complain anymore. Nothing to be hide. And right now my family is enjoying by using a nice outdoor pizza thing. I was calling modern toilet, but I saw so many comments here and there. Man, where I came from, I think one out of 10, I'm the person who have a nice toilet. But I'm not perfect on that. More things are coming. So maybe this one will be maybe example from my village where I came from. So soon I wanna let you know what is going on, and I probably my mom's dream house is coming. And guys, to be honest, I'm trying to say this I'll let you know what's going on my other side of the project where I was making blocks, no bricks. But because of time and sometimes I was busy here and there, and even on my last videos, my sister, she was very sick. Even today I'm going to work on it so she can I can able to take her to the hospital. I'm telling you guys. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, mom, wherever you are. I can't mention your name. You support me with $14. That's around 1,700 Kenyan shillings. I can contribute to support my sister in hospital in terms of paying bill in hospital. So right now, I'm going to Border Town, and I think right now it's better time to film my videos going to Border Town. Nothing to be hide. And today, that's my outfit for today. Look. And right here, you see, maybe you have a longer jacket. No, I have my shorts there. That's my gumboots. Let's go on this side here. And this is my small yard, like our yard. Look, I dig the pizza tin or septic. I store this sand or this soil here. I know for the future reference, I'm gonna go to use for come back to my mom's dream house on the ground. You know, hey, why do you take these chicks outside? Oh, let's go this side and show you what's going on. Me, I'm just pull up in the morning, and that's how I start my videos. And man, I'm ready to go up to Border Town. Nothing to be hide. And probably after this video, I'm heading to Border Town. So that's my dad's parents' home or my grandma. Right now, it's my grandma home. Over there where I came from, that's my home. That's my parents' home or my dad's home. And right now, I was staying with my mama because my dad passed away. So I want to say my soul, rest in peace, Dad, wherever you are. I'm just working so hard. And I believe it's a day like this when my dad will be alive. Man, I could vibe with my old parents. But it's by God's grace. So, right now, guys, we're still waiting maybe for the heavy rain, and then we can correct the sand. So to continue this project for my uncle, I support them with 3 bags of cement. Look, guys, through filming my videos everywhere around my home, my uncle got 3 bags of cement, and 1 bag goes to 930 shillings. That is almost to 10 USD, you know. So even him, he couldn't believe like one day he could get maybe 3 bags of cement. And mom, thank you so much. May God bless you for supporting my uncle toward this project. And also me, I was the part of the guy who's supporting them in terms of balance stones and sand, and also the pipe. When I'm saying the balance stones, let me show you guys. You know, when I have money, I'm trying to buy material here and there. I know I'm going to build my mom's dream house, so I'm gonna purchase more materials as I can. Like this one I buy for my toilet there, and it's remaining here. Even on my borehole or on my well, I'm going to use these balance stones. And also these balance stones help my uncle to cover this septic place. And initially we were using this toilet as a one hole, and we like over 20 people in this family, and then we use this only one hole here. It's so crazy, and sometimes it's a magic. We're using only one hole. We are on 20 people in this family, and I decided, you know what, let me build another pit latrine on my dad's shares, and let me take you around, because right now we are using a nice bathroom, a nice toilet. That's where our life starts to transform. And then we use the bathroom right here. I don't know whether we can see. Oh, there's some nice flowers. So guys, we're just hiding inside here. See, it's covered by polythene paper. You place water here, and then you step here, you start bathing right here. You see, this is where our life comes from. And me, I will never charge anything. Like that being said, from the bottom of my heart, I'm not perfect enough, but I'm trying to chase my dream here and there. Look where I came from. Look where right now I'm trying to use a nice bathroom. It's because of you guys. You're supporting me. And for me, I said one day I'll build a nice bathroom. I'll build a nice toilet in my village. And it's by God's grace. When God says yes, nobody can say no, you know. And me, I'm the guy who keep consistency, like aiming higher, chasing my dream, you know. When I'm focused ahead, I'll never look behind, or I will never look back. Me, I'm just focused forward, straight forward, never look backward, sideways, no, straight forward. I'm looking like, whew. So, you see, imagine, there's a polythene paper here. And I have a kind of the bathroom. And right now, also my uncle came with another project, because that being said, our family is large number, extended family. And we need to have another toilet, extra toilet and bathroom, also on the other side. Let me go and show you. Oh man, before we leave this place, we have a nice Bougainvillea's flower. It's pink, man. Even me, through your comments on my comment section, I learned these things. And on my normal vlog, I have received international visitors to my home, and she asked me this type of the flowers, maybe their name, and me, I said, okay, if you have the phone, you can make Google search. And guys, you're amazing to me. You said, hello baby, tell your visitor that's Bougainvillea. It's pink, and people love these flowers. Maybe in the part of my compound in future, I'm gonna plant these flowers maybe in my flower garden. So maybe one day when you came to Africa, you're gonna chill there, have cup of the coffee. Hey, it's early morning. You heard the cock like co. Just right here. So I'm going to show you guys, but I remember on today's videos, it's to work on my sister for the service. You know, that's the cock right there. Blessing. I was waiting. That's blessing, man. So imagine, guys, through you, I bought these stones, and as soon as I'm going to add 2 tippers, that cock, because my engineer told me you want to add 2 tippers in case of anything, when maybe it's missing, you'll be okay. So probably, guys, try to imagine, through you, I purchased these stones. It's by God's grace. And that being said earlier, no credit here. Like I'm offer credit maybe from company or from maybe and elsewhere. This through my struggle, right, left, center. I buy these stones, and me, I'm not blagging things or complicated issues. This is for my mom's dream house. I'm telling you, this is for my mom's dream house. Maybe my house in future could be on other side, on the part of the toilet, and man, that's how we go. That's how we go. So right along, I'm going to add 2 tippers for the stones. Maybe in April. It depends, because man, I have a lot of things to do here and there, and I probably every month, by God's grace, has own steps. Like January, I bought 2 tippers for the stones. February, I dig the borehole. Let's see March, what's going to happen. Wow, in my village, man, you have beautiful flowers, and it looks like sunsets. Look. Look at this. And most of the goats around my village here, it likes to eat these flowers, because maybe to add nutrients in the body. Wow. And according to our language, and maybe we believe, when goat eat this kind of leaves and flowers, it's add like the pancreatic juice will be more bitter. Like, it's known as ochure. When you mix in soup, it will be like, when you drink ochure, it will heal you from illness or from sickness, maybe things like malaria here and there. Most of the time when I'm drinking soup. Ooh, I think when I'm going to Border Town, I'm going to have 1 cup of the soup right now as I speak here. And look, the same person who support my uncle's bag of cement, the same person who made this mega huge progress to be here. And it's by God's grace. Mom, thank you so much for supporting me these vlogs. I was dreaming it, and through you guys, one of our subscribers made it possible. And my engineer told me we need 2,500. Right now we have 700, and like this one trip goes to 53,000 Kenyan shillings. That's $500. When you convert into Kenyan shillings, I think it will be more than that. It will be 57,000 Kenyan shillings. But I bought that one 53,000 Kenyan shillings. Maybe when it arrived here to deliver, I need to pay $15, and then things like that here and there. So right now I'm leaving home. Wow. Look at this. Say hello. Right now it's drizzling, man. Even the cow, they're not feeling okay. Wow. Look, another one here. So guys, stay tuned when I'm taking my bike heading to Border Town. I hope you are ready. Sorry guys, I hope you are ready for this adventure from my home up to Border Town. And guys, thank you a million times. You know, I'm going far, and I'm going hard on my dream. I'll never let you down. And I probably remember on today's videos, maybe it's not a normal videos, maybe surprising my mama here and there. Probably I'm going to work on my sister. Serious. Yesterday I update you, and then I went to Border Town. I didn't find the dentist, because yesterday it's on Sunday. Probably most of the people went to church, and even right now my sister didn't went to school because of the tooth problem. So today I'm going to work for it. And guys, you say, okay, hello baby, just take antibiotic to reduce the pain. Let me tell you one thing. That antibiotic we have inside the house, but sometime, you know, we can take antibiotic to reduce the pain. So, but the main thing that I'm going to do is to take my sister to dentist and pop, removed. So she'll be okay. And most of the people said, okay, hello baby, your sister right now, that's the teeth of maybe shedding teeth or what. I know it's not permanent teeth. I know it's shedding teeth, but probably even for example, when she's going to remove those 4 teeth, I know when she turned maybe when she turned to 8 years, 7 years, 10, she'll be having another tooth. Oh, I see the guy. I think he'll take me to Border Town. Hey, she went there. Oh, actually, he was my neighbor. If you're watching my last video when I left my village going to surprise my grandma, so she was the one who drive me with my motorbike from this village up to Kisii, and I will get lost. Man, I don't want to complicate issues. Let me take my bike and drive to Border Town right now. Like, I want to go right now as I am right now, you know. So guys, before I go, I love to pass on this beautiful forest, and because of the nature and everything, man, people are planting right now, and the more you plant area, the more you harvest area. Nothing to be high. That's with potatoes vein. Look how my home come in good shape, but I'm going to change it step by step. I think, guys, you can see this beautiful nature. As you watch this video, guys, please give a video a like, comment, and also let me know what you think about on today's videos. So even on my last video, I was moodless because my sister last past one day night, she didn't sleep all over the night, crying because of the tooth here and there. And even I personally, and my mom and also my brother, we didn't sleep because my sister cry, man. Let me tell you, my sister cry like crazy, cry a lot. And they will say, whoa, you know what, maybe I'm gonna help you maybe tomorrow morning. Like I'm saying, sister, calm down. Let's be 10 in the morning. I'll take you to the hospital, sister. And then my sister say, okay, my brother. She cried a lot, man. But on my yesterday video, I went to Border Town to confirm whether I can get the professional dentist. But by God's grace, she went to church. Or he went to church. I don't know whether he or she, but they went to church. So I got there by evening time. I make a call because he typed the number on the door. I make a call, and the voice which came through my call is the voice for man. And he told me, okay, today I didn't come because it's on Sunday. I didn't open my hospital. So what I'm going to do, you just came on Monday. And of which, today, I'm going. This is on Monday, man. Wow. And for my premiere again, you wanna get these videos, full length of the videos. Full length. I'm telling you. Full length of the videos. So look, today no sunny. 24 hours is to wear full jackets. And right now, guys, let me go and take my bike. Actually, imagine I was passing on this trees. I love those natures for the trees, like going like, you know, like that way. So man, me, I can't complain at all. And these things, it's happened. And sometime maybe, guys, let me tell you, some problem or emergency will occur in my family, and maybe we didn't have cash right now. So I get your advice serious, and you know, sometime in my home they need to eat every day. Remember, they need to eat every day, every day. And I'm the firstborn, so you see how I was going harder on my dreams here and there. Every day is to shooting videos from the first up to the 31st. Man, even sometimes I feel so headache. But I know this video that I made here, one day it will pay me off, and then start celebrating, enjoying, right, left, center. So for me, I'll never take things for granted. I just say, God, thank you a million times for my good subscriber. Thank you so much for those people who support me in super thank on my videos. Thank you so much. And guys, on my channel, it's doing good, and most of the people come with positive idea, and all my videos, it's through positive. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna take you to Border Town. So right now, let me go and take my baby inside. So this is I'm calling home. This is I'm born and raised. East to west, home is the best. Am I right, guys? Why not, hello baby? So guys, stay tuned. Even right now, there's no need to take maybe breakfast. So let's go. Okay, so right now I'm outside with my baby, and I'm going to Border Town. Oh man. Hey, something crazy. Let's go. Guys, be ready of this adventure from my home up to Border Town. Wow. So for my premiere again, if you missed my video for premiere, today you'll get full talk, full chat. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, it's freezing here. Keep moving up to Border Town. Wow. Wow. So for my premiere again, sorry guys, on my weekend, like I feel like I'm so tired, you know, I don't have energy to shoot 1 hour videos. I make short videos, but today you'll get full length of the video, full length. You'll get as early as possible. Today, as I speak here. So I'm heading to Border Town. Outside here it's freezing, man, freezing. Look. we also have the shop here. We have banana plantation. Let's go. I see the guy coming like a ghost rider. See that bike? Like a ghost rider. Well guys, and also guys, go and check David Jr. I really appreciate for the love and support. And right now guys, they're just working on the bill of Castor. And guys, if you're from my side, you can support on that. You can support on that. Right now Castor, she's on under medication. So actually she was affected by cancer in the on the chest, right there. It's bristle or things like that. But guys, go and support them, go and fund. There's some maybe some process there. You can support them. Go and fund me. Wow guys, support on Castor guys. We really love her, and we keep in touch on that. So even I will make a video, man, because Castor, she was the one who been supporting me on this journey, and also Dave Jr. I can't hide anymore. Kigadi, say hello. Yeah. Go poa. Vipi? Niache hata 50 nile. Oh guys, okay. Say hello. She was transporting skins from skin for the cow. You know. So guys, that being said, I really love Castor, because to be honest, she was the one who supporting me on my side, and also David Jr. Probably guys, support on that. Go and click, go and fund me, and you'll support them guys. What you have, just support on that family, because right now she was in India under medication guys. And I remember India is so far away from our village here, especially from Kenya. From here to India, it's far away. Support the family, and also we keep praying Castor will be okay from that incident that happened to her. She'll be okay, man. We love her, we need her in this world. So guys, it's so painful, but let's go. Even on my side, I'm just working, so my sister can be able and go to school. Wow. Right here guys, we have the dump sites here and there. Let's go. Guys, I need to vibe with Castor one of these days, but I'll keep praying. And guys, support the family. Support their family. Let's go and find me. Go and find. It's fine. Like, wow. These are roads. Oh my God. I'm almost to approach. Look at that. Up to border town. What I'm saying guys, I mean up to border town. Right now this morning it's freezing. Even the matatu are covering the mirror. Rule. Wow. Kids are riding bicycle right there. Oh yeah. That's my Roman Catholic Church over there. Let's move, let's move, let's move. And guys, the guy that we see, I'm talking on the road, we started together. Right now he was hustling. I'm telling you guys, hustle is everywhere. Hustle is everywhere. Even right now, guys, see, I'm hustling. Hustle is everywhere, everywhere. You know? So, it's good to hustle, man. In good way. Wow. From the other side, it's not clear at all at all. Wow. So guys, as I feel it's freezing, I don't know how my sister will feel to get into the motorbike. I'm telling you, it's totally cold here, and this is the time that she can remove the tooth. Right now, right now, right now, right now. There's a share right there. Keep moving, man. Keep moving. Keep moving. Oh my God, this is border town for you. This is border town for you. That's steeper. Whoa, everybody's on jackets. Everybody, it's on jackets. Oh. Everybody's on jackets, full jacket and boots. I'm telling you. Wow. Hey. So guys, that being said, I came to have the cash in border town, and then I'll go and pick my sister as I speak right now here. So I came to have the cash and then taking her to the hospital. See guys, people are on motorbike. Crazy. Crazy guys. Wow. Look, I'm going to everybody. There's a tall building there. Here we need to go slowly. Let me tell you one thing, man. We need to slow down. Right here. We need to slow down. No pressure on all at all at all. We need to slow down. We need to slow down because of this truck right here. Up the tank. Let me tell you one thing, man. Right now it's raining season. It's time to harvest water. You need to slow down. Everyone is on motorbike. Guys, I came from Bordertown, so right now it's time to go. It's time to go. See? Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, it's time to take my sister to hospital. Ayan na here.
Si uvae kofia.
Okay. So let's go, guys. So maybe you'll meet this vlog in Bordertown. So right now there's no need to film again going to Bordertown, and I have already gone there. Oh my god. Hey.
Tatu.
So guys, it's time to go. I was doing my stuff right here and my baby is just over here. So guys, I lock here because I put my phone here. Right here. Wow. Mkira masenti. Karuni yuko na 500 kia hano. Sare mke.
Niko wala niamba. Kanu tayo mtumurusha tena.
Baba tauru simona ameno kugonzi. Mbare hanga no muno po haibo monto. Angu wanki kuita ger. Nga changirurenga.
Ichini si waro tando komago.
Kare atando kire. Okay guys. Nge kwa piki twende. Yeah, that's my sister right here. Wow guys. So guys, we're heading to Bordertown right now. Okay. So let's go. That's my mom at the back. And then that's my sister. Heading to Bordertown. Let's speak. They're sitting at the back. Yeah. So guys, subscribe, like, give a video a like. And also let me know in the comment section what do you think, guys. So we shall meet in Bordertown right now after this point. Now guys, we hit the tarmac in Bordertown. At the back is my mama and my sister heading this way. So I don't want to too much. Little bits and we go.
Ya juu anasema ninamuuma hata ya chini.
Panua mdomo hapa. Guys, I take my sister to the clinic right here. So for the first medication, and also the doctor was a kind of a shock. So my sister will never be remove the tooth until when this pain will be okay. Right here. No blagging things, guys. Comment on the comment section the best medical service that I prefer, I personally. Right here. As my mom, there's consultation room, and then if you're watching my video for yesterday, I had on the other side. Wow. So, what do we expect from the doctor? Let's wait. Usijitingishe. Fungua. Fungua. Guys, I think okay. I think my sister, she's okay right now. She have already removed some tooth. It's okay. So it's time to go back home. I'm telling you right now here. Oh, mom. Oh guys, it's by God's grace. Now we came from the hospital and God is good. My sister have already been removed. So 2 of the teeth. Wow. So that being said, the doctor have told us you must remove 2 and then the rest will be okay. So my sister right now should be quick recover soon, and she have already removed some 2 teeth. Man, I'm telling you, it's not something easy. It's not something easy. And then even I have the tablets for my sister for curing the pain, you know. So keep moving on. I see the car is coming. So guys, it's time to go back home. Oh, wow. Me guys, I want to say thank you so much for supporting me here and there, and nothing to be held back, but the doctor didn't like the camera, but who is Hello Baby? I make sure that I film, I show you how the progress is going on, and you know, I didn't talk while the doctor gives service to my sister. I didn't talk because doctor didn't like camera. And you know what guys, maybe I don't want to do clickbait. People will say, oh Hello Baby, we didn't see you in the hospital. Right now I do silence. So stay as my mama, and right now my sister will be okay. Shika vidong. even I have the tablets for killing the pain or reducing the pain. So inside you have the tablets. Whew. Okay, man. Hi. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate as Mr. Hello Baby. Baba no tebu saa 6:30. Kano yangi kutunu beyond na magi. Right guys, I was telling my mama, according to the instruction of the doctor, my sister must removing that cotton wool from the mouth after 30 minutes. So we left there around 5:30. So by 12:30 they're supposed to remove those pampers because of maybe compressing the saliva and also the some remaining of the blood. You know, man, nothing to be said, but I thank you so much. Thank you a million. My God bless you. And in case you are new here, you joined for the first time, subscribe to my channel. That's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. Oh, I need to close it here. So I have a long way to go. A day like this. Sorry guys, my camera went off, so I need to boost my battery and then we end our video. So I was meaning a day like this, it's by God's grace, man. So I have long way to go, but right now I'm free. When my sister, she have already removed some two tooths, which bring some problem, and the remaining 2. So our doctor give instruction. So let's remove 2, and then that one when it's starting, we're gonna removing again. So like we can't, he can't do it at a time. We do it for the 2, which is so painful, and then the rest one when it start maybe pain, actually I'll take her again. But probably right now I remove the the doctor removed two tooths, which give my sister problem here and there. Man, I want to end my video right now. So I feel free and I feel so touched. This is where I came from. And man, maybe one day you'll be pay a visit to my village. Maybe God, who know, one day we'll be pay a visit, guys. So thank you so much. May God bless you. I want to end my video here. In case you're new here, guys, go and check Felicitas. She was upcoming YouTuber, and I'm trying to mentor her to show her how to do videos here and there, because he came for this help. I show him how to film the videos, how to write a good title, and stay positive. Yeah. So, man, when somebody came for the help, just help her. Maybe one day she could be sit somewhere else, maybe drinking soft drink or enjoying the life. The part of the people remember one day Hello Babies helped me. One day Hello Baby supporting me. And me, I feel so good when I see somebody prosper. And nothing to be possible. But I told her, you just put more videos as you can, and then maybe when you make like 3 videos to 4 videos, just came for another advice, you know, step by step. One day she'll be turned 1K subscriber. And guys, in case you're new here, the moment you subscribe to my channel, just show us her love, guys, by subscribing. He needs your support by subscribing, like, comment, and watch full length of the videos. So that's the best way she can improve herself. Guys, me right now, I want to end my video by saying, guys, thank you so much. And my buds, they want to say goodbye to you guys for now. Goodbye. Guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. We shall meet on the next vlog, guys. Bye.